Welcome to the channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to change the folder where files are saved when using Nearby Sharing on Windows 11. If you often share files between devices, knowing how to set a custom save location. First, right-click on the Start icon at the bottom of your screen. Next, click on Settings from the list that appears. Then, in the Settings window, click on the System section on the left side. After that, scroll down and select Nearby Sharing from the options. You will see the section labeled Save Files I Received To, and next to it, click on Change. Now choose a new folder on your PC where you want all the shared files to be saved. Confirm your selection, and from now on, all files you receive via Nearby Sharing will automatically go to this folder. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more useful Windows 11 tips.